Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a look at the ASRock Z790 PG-ITX 4 motherboard. This motherboard features the Intel Z790 chipset and supports all of the latest Intel 13th gen processors on the LGA 1700 socket. It's small and compact and comes in a mini ITX form factor and is perfect for any system builder or modder out there. It comes with one PCIe 5x16 slot suitable for all of the latest next-gen graphics cards and supports DDR5 RAM with speeds of up to DDR5-6800 OC. For storage, this motherboard supports 3 M.2 PCIe Gen4 slots for your SSD as well as 3 additional SATA ports. And for connectivity, it comes with a killer 2.5 gigabit LAN as well as the Wi-Fi 6E. It also comes with a HDMI port, a display port, and 2 Thunderbolt ports on the Type-C connector. And of course, it comes with all of ASRock's unique features, including the 7.1 HD audio, the Dr. Moss and SPS, and the polychrome sync. We'll be testing this motherboard using the Intel Core i9-13900K along with some nice DDR5-6200 RAM, and of course using the GeForce RTX 3090 for the graphics. So let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the ASRock Z790 PG-ITX TB4 motherboard. Supports all of the latest Intel 13th gen processors and comes with the polychrome sync, supports DDR5 RAM as well as PCIe 5. Okay, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, here we have the motherboard. We'll take a look at this later. Let's see what else is inside the box. Okay, we have a ASRock postcard. And then we have the user manual. And we have 2 thermal pads for your M.2 SSDs. Interesting. And they have 1, 2, 3 M.2 screws for your SSDs. There's the SATA cable, a pair of SATA cables. We also have the Velcro straps for cable management. And then we have the keycap, ASRock keycap. And finally, the antennas for your Wi-Fi 6E. Alright, those are the accessories. We'll take a look at the motherboard now. Okay, here we have the motherboard. It's the ASRock Z790 PG-ITX TB4 motherboard. Very compact mini ITX form factor. Let's take a look at the back first. Alright, we have 2 M.2 connectors here for your SSDs. It's quite interesting. We normally see 1 for most mini ITX boards. This one has 2. Okay. Here we have the LGA 1700 socket, supporting all the latest Intel 13th gen processors. Okay. Notice the large heat sink with the heat pipe, and it goes into this I/O hood there. Interestingly, I believe there's a fan inside. Can't quite see that, but yeah, it's inside. Alright, let's take a look at the top here. We have the 8-pin PCIe power connector for your CPU. We have 1 3-pin ARGB header here and 3 headers for your fan cooling. We have a CMOS button right here, and then on the side we have the 24-pin ATX power, a 4-pin ARGB header, USB 3 and 1, 2, 3 SATA ports, and a Type E connector there for your front USB. Okay, along the bottom here we have the PCIe 5 steel slot supporting all the latest next-gen graphics cards, and then we have more USB headers here and also the audio header. This heatsink covers the M.2 connector for your PCIe Gen4 SSD. Interestingly, this motherboard don't support the Gen5. And here we have the DDR5 DIMM slots supporting memory speeds of up to DDR5-6800 OC. Okay, let's take a look at the I/O. And on this side we have a DisplayPort, HDMI, and 4 USB 3.2s. There's the 2.5 gigabit LAN, as well as USB 3.2 Gen 2 and the Thunderbolt Type-C connectors. And over here we have the Wi-Fi 6E connectors here, and audio for mic in, line out, and SPDIF. Alright, so this is a very nice compact mini ITX board. I quite like the size. We'll be testing this motherboard using an Intel Core i9 13900K, along with some nice DDR5 6200 RAM, and of course the GeForce RTX 3090. Okay, so this is a quick unboxing of the ASRock Z790 PG-ITX TB4 motherboard. You all know me, I love mini ITX boards, and the ASRock Z790 PG-ITX TB4 is one of my favorites so far, especially when it comes to XMP memory compatibility. We used a pair of Patriot Viper Gaming DDR5 6200 RAM and enabled the XMP in the BIOS, and boom, it ran perfectly with no issues whatsoever. During our tests, we also used an Intel 13th Gen Core i9 13900K processor along with a GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card. We managed to pull some excellent scores in all of our benchmarks, including a Cinebench score of 31,101 multi-core and 2,209 single-core. For PC Mark 10, we got a score of 9,795 and a score of 11,929 for Pass Mark 9. For UL's Procyon photo editing benchmark, we got a score of 10,186 and 9,279 for the video editing suite. For 3D Mark Speedway and Port Royal, we got a score of 5,159 and 12,831 respectively. And finally, for TimeSpy and Firestrike, we got decent scores of 19,407 and 39,286 respectively. All said and done, the ASRock Z790 PG-ITX TB4 is a very nice compact mini ITX motherboard that's perfect for any system builder or modders alike. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock Z790 PG-ITX TB4 motherboard, a compact mini ITX board that's perfect for any system build with performance to match. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.